In this video, I'm going to show you how to do an anonymous question on Instagram on your story or on a post. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make a new story or post. I'm going to make a new story. Then just make a random picture. I make this picture. What you then want to do, you want to go to stickers over here. Hit stickers and then find the questions. So questions is over here. And now you want to change the color to black. So you want to hit the color scheme at the top, and now it turns black. And what you then want to do, you want to go to text, type a dot, just like this, and then hit the background color for your dot, just like this. Then down here, hit black, and now it turned black. Now you can just grab it and make it bigger, just like this. Then take the question and just put it here like this, so it looks nice, something like this. And then go to text, and now you want to type in this user will not see your identification, just like this. And now you can just make this smaller so it fits in here, just like this. And now the question is, ask me a question and this user will not see your identification is down here. So now it looks like if someone enters the question or he says something about you, he thinks he won't see your identification, but you still will. So if this video helped you out to use a anonymous question on Instagram, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.